In this activity, we will demonstrate how an extinguished candle produces a low pressure inside a glass. For this activity, we need colored water, lighted candles, and a glass. Place the glass over the flame. We observe that flame goes off and the water level rises. Why does this happen? The flame uses the oxygen inside the glass to burn and heat the air inside. When the oxygen is exhausted, it goes off, leaving the heated air inside to cool. As the expanded air cools down, it contracts and creates a low pressure than the air outside. Now the higher atmospheric pressure outside the glass pushes the water into the glass. This experiment demonstrates two things. First, air expands on heating and contracts on cooling, and air exerts pressure on each object, which is known as atmospheric pressure.